It's time to call for help. It's time for Leakender 2000. It fixes any leak and fixes it fast. No matter what kind of leak you have, just spray it with Leakender 2000. And in minutes, the leak is sealed. Look, we'll take this garden hose and cut it with a knife. Now we'll shut off the water, spray on Leakender 2000, and minutes later the hose is as good as new. The cut is sealed completely. Here's the secret. Leakender 2000 is a specially formulated liquid rubber compound that completely fills any crack or separation as it hardens, sealing it tight. Why put up with gushing gutters, dripping drains, wet windowsills, and rain-soaked RVs? Leakender 2000 stops all those leaks with just a simple spray.
Leakender 2000 is great. I just spray it on and no more leak. I don't know what I would do without it.
Leaky appliances can drive you crazy, but just spray on Leakender 2000 and they're as good as new. And what about those foundation cracks? They let water in, even bugs. But Leakender 2000 can seal it up in no time. It can even fix air leaks. Just a quick spray and it's sealed up tight. Leakender 2000 stops leaks in metal, wood, cement, brick, baked enamel, just about anything. Why spend a fortune on costly repairs and replacements? Just spray those leaks away with Leakender 2000. It's yours for only $14.95, and it's guaranteed to work or your money back. But wait, order now and we'll double your order at no extra charge. You'll get this huge giant-size can, good for hundreds of jobs, for only $14.95. So have your credit card ready and call now.